diving down into doing art for the first time. And I must say I'm very excited. You all can see. So we have like a 6B pencil. See your boy? Inner art. Schoolboy. The subfields or subsets of linguistics: phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics, applied linguistics, sociolinguistics, psycholinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics. My primary emphasis was phonetics, articulatory phonetics, acoustic phonetics, and auditory phonetics, and primarily phonology. Things like intonation, inflection, cadence, and tonal modulation. In linguistics, because I was studying humor, what aspect of, in semantics, ambiguity, in, specifically that would expanding bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates. Intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum.